In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder pages in GoDaddy Website Builder. If you want to tidy up your site's menu or bring important pages closer to the front, this quick walkthrough will help you get it done with confidence. Start by signing into your GoDaddy account and opening the website you want to edit. From your dashboard, click Edit Website to launch the Website Builder editor. Give it a moment to load. You'll know you're in the right place when you see your site preview and the controls around it. On the right-hand side of the editor, look for the section labeled Site Navigation. This is the control center for your main menu order. Inside that section, you'll see an icon next to Site Navigation that lets you reorder pages. It often looks like a set of horizontal lines or dots. Think of it as a handle for organizing your list. Click that icon to open the reordering view. By the way, if you need access to the builder and you're not there yet, there's a link at the top of the description that takes you straight to the GoDaddy website builder. That way you can follow along as you watch. Now, you'll see a list of your pages in the current menu order. To change the order, left-click and hold on the page you want to move, then drag it to the new position. Release the mouse when it's exactly where you want it. Move pages up to push them toward the front of your navigation, or down to move them later in the menu. If you make a mistake, just drag the page again until it's right. A couple of important notes while you're organizing. Your homepage will always remain the first page in your navigation, so you won't be able to move it. Also, this process controls the order of your main navigation menu, the primary set of links visitors use to get around. Changes you make here often save automatically as you go, so you don't have to worry about losing progress. When you're satisfied with the new order, click Done. That finalizes your changes and applies them to your live site. Within moments, your visitors will see the updated menu, which helps them find what they need faster. A quick tip for planning. Think about grouping similar pages together and placing your most visited or most important pages near the front. Clear navigation makes a big difference in how people experience your site. That's it. Simple and effective. If this helped, consider checking the link in the description and feel free to share this with someone who's building their site. Thanks for watching.